and welcome back to Chuck's Corner, where I'll share real stories from CNC manufacturing. And stick around until the end. The giveaway's coming to a close and there's still time to get in on the action. This one's about a tricky one that crept up slowly, the Backlash Surprise. We were running a small production job, precision aluminum housings with a few tight bores, flat faces that needed to line up perfectly. The first few parts were dead on, but halfway through the batch, dimensions started wandering. Not much, maybe a tenth or so, but enough to cause a mismatch on assembly. We double checked the tools, offsets, even the temperature on the shop floor. All looked normal. Then the operator ran a simple diamond square test, and the results said it all. We had backlash. Not enough to trip an alarm, but enough to throw off the consistency. It turns out one of the axis ball screws had developed a tiny amount of play, barely noticeable during normal motion, but enough to cause positional drift when direction changes piled up. A quick adjustment and relubrication tightened it back up and the parts came out perfect again. Lesson learned. Even the tightest machines wear over time, and backlash doesn't always show itself with a bang. Regular maintenance, simple accuracy checks can save you from chasing ghosts in your tolerances. Before we wrap up, the Chuck's Corner giveaway is almost at its end. You already know the deal. Make sure you've got an active, registered MachiningCloud account. Like, comment and subscribe on this video for your shot at winning a brand new smartwatch. Perfect for anyone who lives by cycle times. The winner will be announced at the end of the month, so don't miss out on your chance. Oh, and if you're heading to Top Shops in Charlotte, North Carolina on November the 11th and 12th, come see MachiningCloud at booth number 9. Stop by, say hi and talk shop with the team. Thanks for stopping by Chuck's Corner. Stay safe, stay sharp and own the process.